This is Estin Talaver for The Way I See It, and today I'm going to talk about weather applications that I use. I have four applications on my phone that give me weather, and I use probably two of them most of the time. The first application I use is the weather application. So I'm going to use VoiceOver to navigate to my weather application and okay. So there's my weather application. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to navigate around here and find out what the weather is going to be like for the next few hours today. So, so there's my hourly forecast.
48 degrees. Hourly forecast. Now, cloudy. 48 degrees.
So it says now cloudy, 48 degrees. What I really like though is the hourly forecasts. And so what I can do
3 p.m. Mostly sunny. 55 degrees. 4 p.m. Mostly sunny. 61 degrees. 5 p.m. Mostly sunny. 61 degrees.
Okay, so that tells me that it's going to be pretty nice for the next 3 or 4 hours, and I have something I'm going to be going to after this, so I needed to know that information. And one of the other applications I use a lot is called NOAA Radio, and let's see if I can find that here. Here it is, NOAA Radio. Okay, what I use this for is for storm alerts around Kansas. So I have it selected so that it tells me if there are any severe thunderstorms around the state of Kansas and around the surrounding area. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go to Kansas here. And it says error loading content, which means that the stream is down. So I'm going to have to try back again later. Now, if that application fails, I have to have a backup system. Knowing me, I have 2 or 3 backup systems for pretty much everything I do. So if that doesn't work, then I go to an application called Storm Team 12, which is one of the big radio or TV stations in our area, and that's going to give me any warnings as well. So I'll go to alerts down here. There's no active alerts right now. Yet last night my phone was going crazy because we had a lot of alerts because of all of the storms that were hitting and missing around us. So last night all of these applications came in handy while I was in class, so I could monitor if it was going to be raining when I got out of class. So that's what I use to get my weather information. One of the nice things about the Storm Team 12 application is that they have a video feed, and you can actually listen to that video feed, and they'll actually tell you, they'll simulcast and tell you what's going on around in Wichita. So that's a nice thing about the Storm Team 12 application. And so I use that a lot. I'll listen to the feed and see what's going on with the weather around our area. For applications that the applications I showed you, TWC Max is the only one that is a paid application. You can get a free version of the Weather Channel, but it doesn't have as many features. KWCH, the Storm Team 12 application, and the Weather application are free. Weather application you can get, it comes on your phone automatically, and Storm Team 12 is in the App Store, and I'm sure that it's probably on Android as well. I don't know about the accessibility of it on Android for low vision or blind users, however. If you have a laptop and you want to do weather information, then I would recommend KWCH 12 if you're in the Wichita area, or finding a local station's website and going to their video feeds, or if they have live feeds, going there for that information. So if you have any questions about the weather applications I reviewed, like I said, I wish the NOAA application was working today, but it isn't, so we'll just have to try that one again another day. Please feel free to contact me on Twitter at Estin Talavera or via email or any other way. For the way I see it, I'm Estin Talavera.